guys, Derek here. Got another parcel in the post. AMS unit for the P1P, or you can use it on the P1S or blah blah blah. So just going to do a quick unboxing, and then it'll be a matter of plugging it in, turning it on, and seeing what fancy stuff I can do now. So let's get this opened up. Right. So let's have a look at what's in here. So we've got a box, and it contains the following, which is quite nicely packed. So you've got all the cables and I think it's the buffer zone, the filament buffer zone. You've got the two cables in there, plus a coupler by the looks of things. Let's have a quick look. So, two cables, the buffer zone. You've got the screws to attach the buffer zone, and what's in here? Oh, some filament cutters. They will obviously come in handy. There is nothing else in the box. So what we have here is the AMS unit. It's got the Bowden tube coming out of the back, and the two ports for the cables. Just going to open this up. Okay, so Bambu have supplied 4 of these. 2, 3, the 4th one. Now, there's one thing I need to add to this. The filament that Bambu sells, the filament which are refillable, are not that much different to the ones that come with a spool. If Bambu can actually reduce the refills, these might be better use. Otherwise, I'm not too sure. Right, let's have a quick look at these, because some of these are different. This is a, right, that's a 90C one. This is 70. And 70 again. And got it right. 3 70s, 190. So obviously for the high temp, and these are 70. So basically anything. I'm just going to throw those in there for now. A little packet. Let's open a packet. Okay, so in this packet is the quick starter guide, the AMS disclaimer and safety guidance, and the warranty leaflet. You also get four bamboo, 4 PTFE tube, different lengths, and then you got the one which I'm guessing connects to the printer. So AMS unit, still on sale. I think it's $309 at the moment. Got it. Reason is I want to see what else the Bambu can do. Anyway, just a quick unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the necessaries. I'm going to hook this up to the printer. There's loads of videos out there on how to do this, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get to the nitty gritty, get it installed, and do another video of what I've done with it. So this is the AMS system from Bambu. I'm going to have some fun with it. See you later. Be yourselves. Bye.